Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how to change the language in Valorant Mobile. So let's get right into it. Right now, there's some important news you need to know up front. Unfortunately, Valorant Mobile currently does not have an in-game setting that lets you change the language. The version that's available right now is a Chinese version and it only supports Chinese. There's no option in the settings to switch it to English or any other language. That said, you do have a workaround. While you can change the language inside the game itself, you can use translator or overlay apps that translate text directly on your screen while you're playing. These apps detect the Chinese text and display a translated version on top of the game in real time. However, there is a downside. Most of these instant translation overlays require a paid subscription to work properly, since real-time translation is considered a premium feature. Some free options exist, but their accuracy and speed can vary. So, if you're planning to play Valorant Mobile right now and don't understand Chinese, your best option is to find a reliable automatic on-screen translator that fits your budget. Just like this one, you can look it up on your Play Store, just type in Instant Translate, and you have this as a tool. You can use this while playing Valorant Mobile. All right. So, with that said, if you're planning to play Valorant right now, don't understand Chinese, well, again, this is one of the reliable solutions that you can find on the Google Play Store. It's an automatic on-screen translator that fits your budget. And until Riot releases a global version or adds language options, this is really the only solution available. Hopefully, this clears things up and saves you some frustration. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!